Bunch of crap to throw away, but I guess I'll make a mock-up, maybe a little bit of a teaching experience. I don't know. We'll start with some house wrap. And we'll pretend this is a deck ledger. And I like to rabbet mine so that siding can actually get up and hidden behind it. All right, so now we're on the ledger cap. This is a common one, but it's kind of blue. And whenever I run into that, then I like to chase it with some white aluminum, because by the time you put your decking on, like this, then space your siding up an inch. If you don't have that aluminum, you're just gonna see the blue. So some places do carry white. This was clean white before it sat outside for a while. And in that case, you can skip the aluminum, put your fasteners in, give it some zip tape or some Tyvek tape, and you're good. Okay, our ledger board's installed. We installed our decking and finished our house wrap. This is what you'd normally see, like full of foam or something with the flanges, flimsy as hell. But they do make nice, solid, pre-flanged corner boards. All right, corner board's installed, and I like to tape it because why not? Now we have our vinyl starter strip, and the vinyl should pop right into that, no problem. Now you nail it up here. Now we're gonna pretend we're going around a window or door. They sell pre-flanged flat stock and brick mold, and same deal. You just install it, and you completely avoid J-channel using this method. So we installed and taped our window/door trim, and our siding sneaks right in. Now we're gonna pretend we're at the top of the house, and they actually sell pre-rabbeted, material. You can easily make it, but either way, we're gonna pretend we're at the top of the house. The reason for the rabbet is to hide our finishing strip. So, boom. Now our finishing strip is installed and nice and hidden. So for our last row of vinyl, you're gonna rip it wherever you need. Take one of these things. You're gonna, well, it's cold so it blew through, but you're gonna create these little dimples like that. And those are gonna slide up and click in to your finishing strip. No J-channel in sight. Now let's get fancy. We added some ram's crown. Ignore the long pieces. Those are obviously just long. And I got some of this core vent to throw away, which is a soffit vent. So let's mess around with that. I've always had to rip it down to 3/4 because they send it like this, which is obnoxious, and it hits your rafter tails. So let's install that first. And look at that. You're all the way from your deck ledger or your water table up to your soffit with no J-channel, which is always the goal. Maybe you learned something, maybe you didn't. Some white ledger cap, pre-flanged corners and trim, pre-rabbeted freeze boards, nice clean core vent, maybe just the crimper for the finishing strips. I see a lot of these done improperly, so for like $18, definitely get yourself some of these. I know it's super crude. I'm just throwing this stuff away anyway. Hopefully it helps somebody.